conversation between two friends about how to make tawul chicken. Hey, Juliet. Hi, Linda. What is special for lunch today? Today, I have to make tawul chicken for lunch. Do you know how to make tawul chicken? Yes, I know. But when I got married, I didn't know how to make it. But when I came to know that it was my husband's favorite dish, I learned how to make it. Wow, this is also my husband's favorite dish, but I don't know how to make it. Would you please tell me how to make this dish? Yes, of course. What things will we first need to make it? First, we need yogurt, chicken pieces, salt, red chili powder, cumin powder, tomatoes, onions, green chili, and lemon juice. Do we need anything else? These ingredients are enough to make this dish. What should we do after that? Using a sharp knife, cut the chicken thighs into stripes. Place in a bowl and add the garlic, yogurt, salt and lemon juice. Let sit while you chop the vegetables and make the tawul masala. This means that we have to marinate the chicken. Yes, marinating chicken increases taste. What needs to be done after that? Then, start making the tawul masala. Dry roast all the spices for 4 or 5 minutes on a griddle. Transfer to small bowl and let cool a bit. Which spices will we roast? Cumin, coriander, bay leaf, peppercorns, black cardamom, and cinnamon. Okay. Meanwhile, have the onion and thinly slice into half moons. Have the tomato, slice into half moons. Half the green chilies, lengthwise, jewel and the ginger. Then grind the spices. What to do after grinding spices? Set the tawa on a medium-high stove to heat. After that, add oil to the tawa. Once oil is smoky, add the onions, tomatoes, ginger, green chilies, and tomato puree, all at once. What to do next? Sauté for 2 or 3 minutes, until the onions are translucent, tomatoes are mushy, and the puree is glistening. Remember, we want a chunky masala, so don't cook for too long. Then add the marinated chicken, sprinkle the tawul masala, and salt. Mix to combine. Once mixed, spread the chicken in a single layer on the tawa and let cook for 4 or 6 minutes. Allow the chicken to cook on one side until it gets golden brown color. What to do next? Flip the pieces carefully to avoid breaking the crust. Fry for 3 or 4 minutes more until you see the chicken getting a bit charred. It is a long process. Now only the last step of tawul chicken is left. Switch off the stove and add lemon juice. Wow! Come on, let's make tawul chicken together. If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share this video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.